I'm a local kid, so I grew up in Metro Detroit, and both of my parents are musicians, so I was growing up around art all the time and drawing.
From a car design standpoint, we're taking Easter eggs as the special detail design within the car that the customer won't see at first, but as they explore through the vehicle and maybe open up that certain pocket or look inside the door, we'll discover this new detail that was unexpected.
When you give a designer an opportunity, we're going to take it and make the most out of it.
I worked on the Mustang, and Dustin then bought the Mustang, and I told him, well, did you see the Easter egg under the charging mat? He's like, what Easter egg on the charging mat? And then we went and looked at it, and like, yeah, there you go.
Which is the fun part about the Easter eggs too, is even within our own teams, not everybody knows what might be in the parts.
Easter eggs are one of the places where I feel like I can most directly hand off my artwork or my creative vision directly to a customer.
On the F-150, we've got an American flag on the end of the instrument panel.
My favorite one is a Mustang silhouette that you can find in the vehicle. It's just such a beautiful, beautiful silhouette.
On the driver's side of the Explorer, we have the city of Detroit shown from the perspective of the west side. So here on 4th Street, we're coming up to one of my favorite views of the city, where you're driving underneath the Ambassador Bridge and you get this huge horizon expanse of the city going east to west. On the passenger side, we have a skyline of Chicago, which is where the vehicle is assembled. And I wanted to show the skyline not from the lake view, which is normally the view of Chicago that you'll see. I wanted to show it from as if you're standing at the plant looking toward the city from the south side.
The guys and women putting these vehicles together are really proud of where they're from, what they're doing.
We're actually saying that Chicago put hard work into this to send out into the world.
That's a part of us. That's like our touch. I love it.
One of the things I enjoy most about being a designer, and I feel lucky to have the opportunity to do, is impact product that is so ubiquitous around the world. That's hundreds of thousands of people who get to look at some little doodle that I did that made its way into the vehicle.